So hello guys, today I and my friend Saran are going to talk about the lab report 3. So let me introduction ourselves first. My name is Arvind Raj, I'm from DIT.
And my name is Saran, and I am from the IT also.
So without any delay, we will start about the lab report 3, which is we did by using the virtual box. So first of all, my friend will explain about installation of the virtual box.
Introduction. Okay, for the introduction, this lab aim to provide hands-on experience in installing and configuring an operation system in Oracle VirtualBox. Working in pairs, we simulate real-world troubleshooting by creating a virtual machine, installing Windows and Linux, and compiling a key setup such as a guest additions, display settings, share folders, and network configuration to achieve a fully functional virtual system. Okay, for the first step is okay, apa yang depan tu ya? For the first step is to begin installing VirtualBox. We first visit the official website at http://virtualbox.org/wki downloads. From the downloads pages, we select the approach version based on our operation system. We choose Windows. Once the installer is downloaded, we proceed with the installation process by following the on-screen instructions. After the installation is complete and we launch VirtualBox opening, and we are greeted with the VirtualBox main interface as shown in the image. So this is our image that we do. Okay, for the second slide, configuring a virtual machine to for OpenSUSE Lab 15.6. Okay, tekan nanti ya. Okay. After opening VirtualBox, we begin by creating a new visual machine and assigning it a suitable name such as OpenSUSE Lab 15.6. During the setup process, we are allocated the system resources required for operating system to run smoothly. Base memory RAM, it's set to 4096 MB and 4 GB to ensure the virtual machine has enough memory to handle the system's process efficiently. Under the process settings, we are assigned 2 CPU cores to provide better multitasking performance within the virtual environments. For storage, we create a virtual hard disk with a size of 20 GB, which is switches to install OpenSUSE Lib 15.6 and additional applications. Okay, no slide, it's a video time. Okay, for the third side, installing Windows 10 on VirtualBox. In this part of the process, we choose to install Windows 10 on VirtualBox as a guest operation system. After creating the virtual machines, we configure necessary settings before beginning the installation. During the setup, we encountered a few challenges. One of them was properly attaching the Windows 10 ISO files to the virtual machine. Okay, the installation process took some time. Required patents as Windows files were copied and set up complete. After successful installation, we made additional adjustments to optimize performance, such as enable better display resolution and installing guest additions. Okay, for the post installation configuration, after installing OpenSUSE, I configured the network adapter to NAT, network address translation mode, into VirtualBox. This allows the virtual machines to share the host internet connection, simulating a real-world client network environment. I also enable share folders, which made it easily to transfer files such as software tools, patches, and lab materials directly between the host and web system. Okay. To verify internet connectively, I run the IP command to check for a valid IP address and then test browsing several websites inside the VM. For this successful test confirm that the network settings were correctly applied and that the virtual machine had stable internet access. This step helped reinforce my understandings for virtual networking, provide hands-on experience with configuring NAT and troubleshooting connectively. Okay, for the slide network configuration testing. To verify internet connectively, I first ensure the network adapter was set to NAT mode in VirtualBox, and then check that the virtual machine had received a valid IP address, confirming a proper network setup. Next, I open a web browser between the VM and successfully access websites such as Google and YouTube. This result demonstrated that the virtual machine could effectively use the host internet connection, replicating a real-world client scenario. This testing also confirmed that both network settings and share folder configuration were functionally correctly. Overall, the successful connectivity and file sharing provide the installing and setup process was completely effectively. That's all from me. I will pass to my friend Harvin.
So for the next part, we'll talk about the system settings on Windows 10. So there are some of system settings on Windows 10 after the installation. After we download the Windows 10, we first do in the setting is about the system. We like change the, such as my friend say, like just now, memories and RAM. So in RAM we put 4 GB and also the MB we put 4096. You can refer to our report. So next is we will see about the overall virtual machine settings. So overall virtual machine settings, like you all can see in the photo, there are some changes settings we created. So first, such as general, system, display, storage, audio, and also a network. So we just change. We also changed the display settings like virtual memory like 1 to 8 MB, and also we changed the screen size. So next is we move to the Windows software license terms. So after the installation of Windows 10, we need to know about the software license term, because when the users download the Windows 10, they need to access like terms and conditions to use the Windows 10. So same as that, for the Windows 10 we created, they got software license terms to use efficiently. So after you complete that, agree with the software license terms, then only you can move to the further installation settings. So next we move to the Windows setup. So Windows setup, next slide. So for the Windows setup, like we show in the photo, first of the installation step is the getting files ready for installation. So when the users press the installation, they will show the process, like how many percentage is already installed. So you can view the pictures because this is the picture when we install our Windows 10. So we move to the next slide. Next slide, after we done the installation, this is the main home page that we get it from the Windows 10. So when the users download the Windows 10, finally they will appear like this, and the Windows 10 will be appear in the VirtualBox. So as a conclusion, facing this doing this lab repository is we face some struggles, and also like installation in the Windows 10, and also we face some hard situation, like we moved the Windows files into the VirtualBox, and also they were quite good experience to us, because this we're doing the lab report 3, which is we get a new learns outcome, and also I and my friend learn how to do the Windows 10 in the VirtualBox. So as a conclusion also, for this overall report, the conclusion is, in this activity we successfully created a whole virtual environment by suitable hardware resources like RAM and storage space. Like for example, like we mentioned, like just now, we get able to change the RAM storage to the Windows 10s, and also we get one most rewarding aspect, the task overcoming the challenges related to system performance, because as everyone knows, setting the system is quite hard in the Windows 10, and also we may face some challenges, and finally we get success on it also. So overall, at my point of view, I get some good experience from doing this lab report 3, and from my friend, he will explain about his reflection.
Okay. So we can also the activity improve our technical and troubleshooting skill, teamwork and understanding, and reinforcing both the cost outcomes and our readiness for real work IT task. So we can learn about how to download the Windows, and then how to put the MB, GIF, all. Okay, madam, that's all from me.
So this is from us, and also this is the end of the video. So thank you everyone to lending your ears to us, and that's all.
That's all. Thank you.